Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. Today is Thursday, October 29th, and I just brought these fig trees in from the greenhouse, or out from the greenhouse, closer to the house in anticipation of getting them into the cellar because not tonight, tonight's going to get down like about 42, but Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is going to be below freezing temperatures, so have to get these inside. But I'm also contemplating getting rid of some of these trees here. Definitely, not that I don't like it, the Zingerella here. It's just that it's becoming too much to lug these around. So the Zingerella, and even though this is a nice contrasting fig between the outside and the interior, a nice deep red interior, this is UC Davis called the Downblanc, and it's a green fig, but it has really nice, I did some damage there, so the latex is showing. It's got a nice bright red interior when it's ripe, and it turns sort of a light milky color. And I think I'm going to get rid of the Shia Black, the remaining Shia Black that I have. Although I have that shoot that broke off, that will probably root. I'll probably keep that. But I recently found out that these are two Encanto Farm Black Madeiras, and someone just recently informed me that Encanto Farms lost their tree. Let me get the tape measure out here and show you how thick these are. Of course, they would have probably been a lot larger diameter if they were in-ground trees in a nice warm climate, but close to, I don't know, maybe 3 inches on the base. But yeah, and they really produced, but had a terrible fig year this year with the temperatures and the fruit flies. And I don't know how I get these cushion scale on these plants here, but anyways, yeah, so that's 3. Oh, and then I think I'm going to get rid of, oh, they produced great one year, and then this is the Ponta Tressa, that was a big deal, and then it didn't produce anything this year, but one year, I'm pretty sure I have it on video, produced a lot of figs late in the season for me here in New England, and got a lot of fruit flies. But I might get rid of, this is the remaining, well, I do have some cuttings that I started. This is the UC Davis Black Madeira. You can see here I've got, this one here's, the eye is plugged with fig honey, but I forgot about this. This one here is I-258, and I forgot. It reminded me when I was looking at the fig that this sort of tricks you into thinking that the fig is not ripe, but this fig here, for me, does not turn like a dark color like the Black Madeira. So this was from 2015. So I think I've got a nice ripe fig here. This is soft, but it's plugged with fig nectar. So I think I might take a look at that. And it's sort of spindly. It has this long shoot here, so I might take some cuttings and list them on eBay. But yeah, so that would be 1, 2, 3 large pots that I would have to lug around. Yeah, I still have the, what do I have in the greenhouse? Let me go take a look. Yeah, so this is the Maltese Beauty from 2013. Sort of has a leaf like the Black Madeira. So I might take some cuttings off of that. It has these weird branches that grew out horizontally. So here's a remaining fig here from, it's a smaller version of the Encanto Farms Black Madeira. Yeah, it was not a good year this year for figs. Maybe if I had some of those little bags you put over the figs, or if I had them in the lean-to, which I have taken down, and I'm just going to put a shed there for a snowblower. But yeah, winter's coming to New England, and got to get these inside so they don't take a hit. Side note, I don't think I have shown this. This is the Meyer lemon tree and what happened to it. Man, when they take a hit, they don't come back. I'm thinking I'm going to go out and get a ceramic or terracotta pot. This here is below the graft point, so I don't want energy going into that, so take that off. But you can see here I've got flowers on these little offshoots here on the main trunk. Looks like it goes maybe up to here. I'll cut that off, put it in a terracotta pot, and bring it inside. These cool temperatures. It's going to pour out tonight, or no, not tonight, noontime. We're going to get a couple of inches of rain. So cool temperatures and wet roots for the citrus is not a good thing. So this is New England gardening, getting ready to thin out the herd a little bit more with the Zingerella, called the Downblanc, and the Monte Teresa, going on eBay. Thanks for watching.